We are doing basic concept in geometry part 2. Fifth geometric concept, collinear points. Three or more points which lie on single straight line are said to be collinear points. Here all these points are lying on same line. So these points are called collinear points. It can be written as collinear point A, comma B, comma C, comma D. Now we are doing sixth basic concept, non-collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Here 3 points are lying on the same line, but fourth point is not lying in this line. So these points are called non-collinear. We will do seventh basic concept, plane. A flat surface is called plane. So this is a plane. It is given name by capital letter. Any letter you can give. And this arrow shows that plane extends in all direction. Now we will do concurrent lines. When two or more line passes through same point, they are called concurrent line. Here 4 lines are passing through same point P. Which lines are passing through same point P? Line L, line M, line N, line O. So all these lines are called concurrent lines. Now we will do parallel lines. Lines which lie in the same plane. These two lines are lying in the same planes, which do not intersect each other, means they are not cutting each other, are said to be parallel lines. Example, line L and line M are parallel to each other. Do 10th basic concept, intersecting lines. Lines which are not parallel and intersect at a point are called intersecting line. Here these two lines L and M are intersecting, matlab they are meeting at a same point O. So these lines are called intersecting lines. 2 points are given. How many lines can pass through these 2 points? One and only one line can pass through 2 distinct points. Here only one line passes through these 2 distinct points. One single point is given. How many lines will pass through this one point? An infinite number of lines can pass through one point. See, we can pass infinite number of lines through these points.